Hello guys, welcome to 9tech11. If you are one of those people that don't want to risk breaking your smartphone, then putting a case on your iPhone is pretty much unavoidable. Today we will unbox and show you Apple's Blue Jay silicone case, which pairs really nice with the brand new Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. The buttons of the official iPhone 13 cases are much easier to click with slightly larger travel compared to the ones released for the iPhone 12 series. The same applies to the clear silicone case, which is much better than last year as well. Apple's cases offer a good level of protection for your iPhone, although there are much more reliable cases from third-party manufacturers offering up to armor-grade protection for your iPhone, especially when combined with a tempered glass. Of course, all the official Apple cases have built-in magnets and support MagSafe, and this case is no exception of course. You also need to be aware that even if you own a case for your iPhone 12 or 12 Pro, this case will not fit the iPhone 13 or 13 Pro. That's because the 2021 iPhones are thicker, the camera bump is larger, and the buttons are slightly misplaced compared to last year. We definitely like the aesthetics and looks of this case, especially in this new Blue Jay color. Moreover, it's easy for someone to understand that you carry an iPhone if that's something important for you. This may be the best looking case for your Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and make sure to follow us on Instagram or Twitter for more Apple news and content. Stay safe. Peace!